Welcome to the College Investor Audio Show, where we talk about the biggest issues impacting millennial money, from student loan debt to side hustles to building wealth. We will show you how to get out of debt so that you can build real wealth for the future.
Well, since March 13th, 2020, federal student loans have been set to 0% interest rates and payments on the loans have stopped. This interest-free forbearance has brought welcome relief to many student loan borrowers who've seen their finances take a hit during the COVID-19 pandemic. We've been calling this the student loan pause. But the student loan reprieve is set to expire on September 30th, 2021. So what to do when your student loans unpause? That's today's topic on the College Investor Audio Show. Thanks again for stopping by today. After such a long break, it's safe to say that no one is excited about having to make room in their budgets again for student loan payments. But it's also important to have a plan. Here's what you need to do to prepare for when the dreaded moment finally arrives. When do student loans unpause? Well, like we said just a little bit ago, the world still far from normal, but the Department of Education will end the coronavirus forbearance period on September 30th, 2021. That means payments on federal student loans will begin as soon as October 1st, 2021. If you have auto debit set up for your student loans, you should expect to see your normal payment come out in October 2021. You can check with your loan servicer too for that exact date of when those will come out of your account. What happens when student loans unpause? Two big things. First, the interest rate on your loans will increase back to its pre-COVID level. Right now, the interest rate is set at 0%. But starting October 1st, 2021, the rate will revert to the original loan. Second, borrowers will be required to make monthly payments on their federal student loans. These payments have been paused since March 13th, 2020. Note, many analysts have been worrying that some borrowers may end up in default when student loans unpause. If you have federal loans, you need to check your loan status and payment due. Don't let it default. How will student loan forgiveness be impacted? Well, the $0 payments made during the coronavirus forbearance period count toward Public Service Loan Forgiveness (PSLF) and Income-Driven Repayment (IDR) forgiveness. If you made payments during the forbearance, request a refund immediately. You are legally entitled to a full refund of all payments made from March 13th, 2020 to September 30th, 2021. Don't delay on requesting a refund. This is something to take care of as soon as possible, right now. So here are some tips to prepare for when student loan payments resume. The thought of having to fit a hefty student loan payment into a budget that's likely already been strained can feel a little bit scary. But don't stress. Right here, we cover 5 tips to help make the transition a smooth one. Prepare your budget. With 8 to 9 months of no payments, your checking account may be shocked when loan repayment resumes. Unless you've gone on to an income-driven repayment plan, IDR plan, your new payment will be the same as your payment from February 2020. Between now and the end of the year, visit your loan servicer's website to check your payment. Then, build a new payment back into your budget. Update your contact info with your loan servicer. Anyone who has moved or changed phone numbers or email addresses should update their information with their loan servicer. Your loan servicer will help you handle any repayment hiccups that come your way. An easy solution to this is just to make sure you have set up your online account so you can view your loan status, information, and even make payments there too. Read mail from your loan servicer. Loan servicers may send you important information about where your loan stands and things to keep in mind when student loans unpause. Be careful not to accidentally toss any communication from your servicer. Read the letters and take action as needed. Again, if you have your loan portal set up online, you can also opt for e-statements and can view everything online. Turn off autopay if needed. If you have set up automatic transfers to your 401k or other accounts to capture savings from the paused payments, be sure to turn those off. You don't want to accidentally overdraft once payments resume. Consider enrolling in an income-driven repayment (IDR) plan. So people who lost income during the first 9 months of the pandemic may find the old payment just doesn't fit in the new budget. In that case, you may want to enroll in an income-driven repayment (IDR) plan. Enrolling in an IDR plan will not prematurely restart your loan payments, but it's important to enroll before your first payment actually comes out. To enroll in your IDR plan of choice, visit studentaid.gov/IDR. Click on Apply Now to start the application. How to begin making payments. Starting in October 2021, you'll need to start making student loan payments again. Anyone enrolled in auto debit programs will see the payment auto-drafted from their bank account. Loan servicers will automatically restart auto debits in October. Anyone who is worried about auto debit causing overdrafts should call their loan servicer now. You will need to unenroll from autopay and make a plan to send manual payments instead. Borrowers who made manual payments must start sending checks or making transfers through the loan servicer's website. If you need more info about making manual payments, just simply contact your loan servicer. Recertifying income when student loans unpause. If you're already on an IDR plan, you'll eventually need to recertify your income. Income recertification dates have been pushed to sometime in 2021. Your loan servicer or servicers should send you information about your recertification date. Again, open mail from your loan servicers. Should I pay off my loans in a lump sum? That's a great question. Many people have struggled over the last several months. Some have managed to increase their savings and income. If you have enough money to pay off your loans, you might want to get rid of them like right now. You can schedule a payment to pay off those loans in full before October 2021, so you can just get started on the right foot. If you don't have enough money to pay off your loans in a lump sum, it might be advisable to wait on extra payments. The economy is still a bit shaky, and it could be risky to deplete savings to get rid of debt that has a manageable interest rate. Consider waiting until at least you can pay off the debt in full before tacking on big extra payments. And here are some thoughts on forgiveness, too. If you do think that there's a possibility of loan forgiveness, you might want to wait at least a few more months after those payments kick in into Biden's presidency before paying off your loans in a lump sum. Never hurts to wait and see, except for a few extra months of interest. Final thoughts here. As long as your contact and banking information is up to date with your servicer and you've made necessary changes to your automatic transfers, the unfreezing of student loan payments shouldn't really cause you too much grief. If you've lost income, of course, or struggled over the last several months, IDR plans are a great option to keep your payments manageable. Or, if your financial situation is strong, you may want to shop around with student loan refinancing lenders to see if one could offer you a lower interest rate. There was virtually no benefit to refinancing federal loans during the 0% forbearance period, but with payments resuming, it could once again be a strategy worth considering. Regardless of your personal situation, it's important to make your plan today so that you're prepared for student loan repayment tomorrow. And that is our show for today. I hope it was helpful, gave you some ideas on how you can really eliminate some, stress in your life as these payments kick in. If you ever want to find out more, see some more resources and more ideas, you can find it at thecollegeinvestor.com. Thanks for stopping by today, and we'll talk to you again soon.